I think you are something special. I take you on a shopping.
Hey y'all, tonight coming back at you with another video. And in this video, we're going to do some butterfly locks, alright? So y'all, for this color, I'm going to do one, which is black, and then gray. Because my sister loves trying different colors, so we're going to do gray. But y'all, in all the other videos, y'all see that I started off with plaits. So we're going to start off with plaits again. And then I'm going to crochet the hair in. So y'all probably like, what's the difference between the distress locks that you did and the butterfly locks? Well, the butterfly locks are way fluffier than the distress locks. And now I use a different technique for my distress locks, and it uses 3 different types of hair. Yeah, I know it's a lot of hair, but you know, that's what gives it its unique look. Alright. So yeah, so as we crochet the hair, and I use 2 strands of hair. Oh, by the way, I use, how many packs did I use? I think I used 3 packs of hair all together. So yeah, so I start off by wrapping. Of course, I'm gonna do the thumb method. All right, y'all, so it's like the same. If you watch my distressed locks video, it's about the same as that, you know, using the thumb method to make it more fluffy. But this one is like way more messy. All right, y'all, so you could be as messy as you want with this. You ain't gotta be neat. All right, y'all see my little, oh, look at that, my grip game too tight. All right, that joint too tight. I be snatching it. All right, snatching it. It don't be hurting her though, but I be snatching it. Y'all see them loops? Make it look like butterfly wings. That's why they call it butterfly locks, because it look like butterfly wings. But let me stop talking, all right, y'all. So y'all, as y'all can see, y'all see what I'm doing, all right? Y'all know my quality is crystal clear now because your world finally got a camera. I finally done got a daggone camera, y'all. So the quality is crystal clear, so y'all see what I'm doing. But let me stop talking. I'm gonna let y'all watch the video, and I'll talk to y'all at the end of it.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we get wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me, 'cause you are mine, so you better let them know about me. Tell me if you're down, would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. If you're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. I would never get caught up pulling with all these other girls. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unruly, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Would you take a bullet too?
right, babes, and just like that, we are finito. Look at it. Yes, crispy. We like it. Slick. But if y'all like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends because you already know they want to see it too. And don't forget to subscribe because y'all, we're at 1,000 and you already know that giveaway videos coming soon. Y'all already know. But until next time, I'll catch y'all later.